Hey food ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making seafood okra or fresh fish okra soup. This recipe is loaded with fresh fish, snail, clam meat and all that delicious seafood goodness. Let's start cooking. First, you want to go in with your fresh fish into a pot. Add some chopped onions, so that's one full onion. Add a few yellow habanero peppers. Season with non-seasoning or any seasoning of your choice. Add a little bit of salt and add some crayfish powder. This is optional. I like to simmer with crayfish. Cover the pot and let it cook for 1 minute. Next, you want to add a little bit of water to the pot. Add your apple snails. Cover again and let everything simmer until the flavors begin to blend beautifully. Next, add some palm oil to the pot. Go in with 4 habanero peppers, 4 yellow habanero peppers if you can handle the heat. Cover and allow to boil. Once the fish is halfway cooked, carefully remove the fresh fish to prevent it from breaking apart. Add some dried uziza leaves or any vegetables of your choice. Go in with some water. Add the remaining crayfish powder. Add your ground uziza seeds. Then you want to go in with the frozen okra. So this is already grated. I have some grated and some chopped okra. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please like and subscribe. Share this recipe, it really helps my channel grow. Stir your pot, stir gently. Add your fresh clam meat. This soup is almost ready. Add a little bit of water. Cover and let it boil. Oh my goodness, look at what is happening here. Go in with your pre-cooked cow skin. This is optional, you don't have to use it. Add some frozen mushrooms. Stir gently. And just let everything come together. Cover your pot and let it boil for a minute. So at this point, guys, you want to bring in the fresh fish. Gently place it into the pot and stir very softly. Remember, you don't want the fresh fish to break apart, so give it a gentle stir. So at this point, you want to cover the pot, allow to cook for 2 minutes, and that's it. This soup is ready. That's it, guys. Your seafood okra is ready to be served. Ooh la la, that is a very good pot of soup. So guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment in the comment section below. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you again for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.